Is this the beef? That's totally my stuff.
Butter.
Maple butter.
Hey, I'm pretty sure that's not how you eat that.
I got pie.
You opened the pie. That's for later, kiddo. All right.
Why?
Who's ready to cook some stuff? Can you get down here, please? All right, put it in there.
Okay.
Big one. Go. So, you guys, we're going to start this up. We have... Oh, got it! Nice toss, kind of. Wipe it up. We're going to start this up. We have our pork chop din-din today. We're going to do a little bit of
Got it.
Cajun spiced pork chops. Oh, thank you. But the first thing, we're going to start getting this little bit of braised cabbage and collard greens going. Got plenty of juice to just start it up on its own. Put it on low and then we'll put a lid on it.
We got it.
Aha.
Sugar. Sugars to be.
Lid. So we got some good things on this dinner here. We have the pie, which is a peaches and cream pie. You can eat it by not heating it up, or you can pop it in the oven. I'm just going to leave it cold for now. And we're going to heat up our cornbread. So cornbread, quite delicious.
Corn.
Oh yeah, baby. You like cornbread?
Yes, corn.
Corn?
Yes.
Bread.
No,
Cornbread.
corn. Corn.
Corn bread. Cornbread.
Corn.
Bread.
Corn.
Cornbread.
Corn.
Cornbread. Just to save myself some dish time, I always put the foil down. And the bread. Right on there. We're just gonna put this aside. I'll pop it in the oven right at the end so we can just toast it up, have it ready to go. So we give you two of these big boys. The 2-bone, holy moly pork chop. So yeah, you're just gonna cut these open, super simple. They've been sous vide already, which is really nice. And then all you gotta do is grab your blackening spice that we put in there. Hey, where's the spice at, Hal? Where'd you put the spice? Is the spice here? Is there a cup of spice? Did we forget the spice?
Yeah.
Tea break.
Can you show me something?
Showing you how to make some tea right now. Half and half. I mean, if you want a little bit of tea, I can give you some tea.
Yeah, I want to get some tea.
Perfect. You want to try a little?
Is it yummy?
It is really nice. Are you a fan of tea?
Yeah. I love tea.
Oh!
Hey, Tyler.
Thank you for the spice.
Yes, sir.
We got it! Come on!
You're good to go.
Start cooking! Let's keep the cooking going here. We got saute pan. Cast iron works really well, but since...
You want to get another pan?
Should we do cast iron instead?
Yeah.
Alright, you can do either or, but the cast iron's going to hold a little more heat, and it'll probably be better on a range that has a little less power.
Okay.
So, alright, now we have to season them up. Ready?
That's yummy.
I know, right? So they're already sous vide. They're cooked to about a medium. So we're just going to take them a little bit past medium, and then they're going to be perfect. Get your fingies off of that. Good
Yummy.
God.
Can I get the spice?
You want to help with the spice?
Yeah.
So this spice doesn't have any salt in it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to hit it with some salt first, because it'll stick to it. Not a whole bunch. There is salt in the brine that we brine the pork in before we sous vide it. All right, do this one. Do this one. There you go. Good job. I have this on high heat right now. I'm just getting this pan hot. So we're going to be very generous with the spice.
Hey.
You want to do the other side? Do a little bit on this side here. Okay. Whoa. All right, wait. Let go. Don't. Ooh, that's... He's gonna get... Is that too spicy? Is that spicy? Spicy? Let's rinse your hand off. Hands in there. On a hand too. So, we've seasoned them up. You can use some of the spice on the outside, on the bottom of the pan. Just kind of get it all over it, okay?
Can I
Remember you got too spiced up last time? Remember you got spice on your fingers? You just let Dad do this last part. I kind of forgot there's some actual spiciness to this, and I don't want you to burn your biscuits. A pretty good amount of oil in that pan there.
Ooh, that is so hard.
Alright. So we're going to reserve this pan here. I'm just going to rinse it off, and then I'm going to put some foil down in it, and we're going to actually finish them in the oven. So we're just going to get them nice and blackened on really high heat, and then we're going to pop them in the oven so we can come up to temperature. Don't burn your pork chops, but you're kind of burning your pork chops because you want to char it up. So, getting that nice dark color on there. And like I was saying, getting it into a cast iron like this really helps blacken it. So, I'm just kind of moving the oil down in there so there's just no more on there, but blackened pork chops. Next thing I'll show you guys how to do, super simple. We have our rice. Now you can either go into a pot, cover it with a lid, or you can zap it in the microwave for about 2.5–3 minutes. I always zap them in the microwave because I like the way that works out. So, take a look back here. Oh my God. Smells great. So close. Gonna get a little bit more blackening going on. Now, I don't have my hood on because it doesn't make good for TV, but I would have it on full blast if we weren't making a video. Just because you just want your house to smoke out, because you are really cooking these pretty hard right now. So, I think we got about 30 seconds on it, and then I got a 350-degree convection oven going right now. And like I said, it's already to a medium, so all you're doing is taking it from medium to mid. What time is it? To mid-well.
Yeah.
Paw Patrol is on the way. What did I say?
Paw Patrol, Peter on the double.
That's right. Shout out to Paw Patrol. Blackened. In the oven. 10, maybe 15 minutes. It's a little circulation just for a second. Alright guys, so the last thing we're going to do is we're going to heat up this lemon date sauce. We're going to put it into a little small sauce pot. It is quite flavorful. We also have our herbs here. We're going to pick our oregano, put the leaves right on there, okay? Can you do that for Daddy? Are you going to be my helper?
Yes.
I love it. A lot easier without your little crazy brother around here, isn't it? Don't tell him I said that. Alright, so we're just going to turn this on. We're just going to bring it to a simmer. Just reduced by a little bit, not much.
How did
Our
it
pork chops are going to
blow
be done. They're like they've been in there for a little bit now, about 10 minutes. They're going to be
How-
done in about
how
5
did it
minutes. So
blow these?
I'm going to pop our cornbread in the oven. While those are just finishing up, we're going to start to plate the other couple of items that we have here. Oh yeah, baby. Some dirty rice. And then here's our collard greens that have just been on super low heat that we put in there in the very beginning. Careful there, Hog. That's hot stuff, right? And we're just going to go right into a pot here. Or into a bowl, I mean.
Is that beef?
No. It's greens. You like greens. These are kind of warm though. We'll let them cool down a little bit, okay?
Yeah, I like beef.
So our sauce starting to come up. I'm just going to turn this down a little bit. We're just going to do a really low simmer.
It's so hot.
The sauce is pretty much ready. We're just going to go right over the pork chops with it.
It's so hot.
All right, we're almost done with picking the leaves. Can we pick one more of these? And I'll pick them with you. Ready? Dad's fast. Look how fast Dad does it. Look at that. Wow.
It's mine.
I'm pretty fast. Are you fast?
Yes.
Let's see how fast you go. This is how I train my cooks, by the way. Am I going to win?
No, I don't know.
Am I going to win?
No.
You better hurry up. Come on. Pick them. Oh, I got a couple left. Who's going to win? Big winner. Look, I still have one left.
I win.
You're a professional. Never seen anybody that fast before, Javi. I believe things are done. So, ooh, baby. You can hear it? Yeah. So, sometimes I'll stick a tweeze in there. And they say you try on your lip there. You can also touch it to the back of your hand, to the inside of your wrist. This is basically testing the actual internal temperature. See if it's hot or not? And it is warm. So all I'm trying to do is bring it up to being warm to the touch. La-da-dee. La-da-da. These are big boys.
How?
I'm going to pour this on there, and then you're going to sprinkle the green stuff. Oh, yeah. Date and lemon. It's going to give you a nice little sweet, kind of a sweet and almost a little bit of sourness to it. But it's just quite delicious. And then we're just going to sprinkle. Help me. Just sprinkle them on top.
If anyone wins,
There you go.
if anyone wins, I can win.
You can win. All right. That's done. Cornbread.
Yes, go.
Oh, the pie!
Okay.
Peaches and cream. We're going to put this right on the table. And the last thing we have, iced tea. And we cannot forget about the cornbread. That's the other thing. It is toasty. Toasty, toasty. All right, here we go.
Toasty, toasty.
Toasty, toasty. Woo. I like wants to fall apart. Oh my god, it's hot. Pull it out of there. With your tweezers. Use your little guys. Get it. Pull it out of there. Put it right in the middle. Right there. Perfect. All right. All right. Good. Let's set the table. We did it. Come on. All right. You ready, Freddie? So this is the dinner that we made. Are you done with that? You want to get that off there? What do we have here, Hav? Pork chops. That's a lot of meat.
Daddy, maybe we should finish the ice rink because...
Should we finish the ice rink?
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what. Let's finish this because this is what we're doing right now. So we got dirty rice, pork chops, and braised collard greens.
Been a kind of meat.
That's pretty good. Peach cobbler. Or peach pie. Peach pie.
Pizza pie.
Pizza pie? Sure. And then we have our cornbread. This is actually one of my favorite things in the world.
Cornbread.
I don't like to share that. And then, of course, a couple little sweet teas. So, it's one of my favorite family meals we've done. I love the pork chops. One of my favorite cuts. So, two monster. I mean, look at this. Fist size. It's about the size of your fist. So, it'll feed you for probably more than just tonight. But,
Okay.
all right.
Bye.
Bye. Come here, jump. Jump it. Oh. Let's go this way.